Hi, I'm Jenna from Small Bites Adventure Club. Today we are going to explore the power of seeds. Seeds grow a lot of the plants around us, a lot of the ones you might find in your yard or at your park. They also grow a lot of the fruits and vegetables that you might find in your kitchen. Let's take a look at all the different types of seeds and what they will become. Do you know what this teeny tiny seed will become? This teeny tiny seed will grow leaves above ground and this root under the ground. This is a carrot. Do you know what this seed will become? This seed grows in the summer and will make a big yellow flower that will then become a yellow squash. What about this seed? This seed you can find inside of a green bean. You can see inside of a green bean there are lots of different seeds that all become new plants. This seed might look familiar. This is corn, like what you would find at a barbecue. This corn grows on a tall stalk, probably bigger than you. You may have seen this before, maybe for a snack. Inside of this shell is a little sunflower seed. You could eat it just like that, or you could plant it and it would become a tall sunflower. Then more seeds grow there in the middle. This seed looks like a pea, and it grows inside of a sugar snap pea. Sugar snap peas have tendrils where they can grow up trellises or fences, and inside are more seeds. Can you guess what this teeny tiny seed will become? It will grow up into lettuce, like this, with its roots growing underground and its leaves growing up top. This seed you may have seen as a snack also. It is what you will find inside of a pumpkin. You can find seeds in your hardware store in a seed packet or in your kitchen inside some fruits or vegetables like this. Thanks so much for tuning in. You can check out our other video on how to plant seeds, and we'll see you next time.